Have you heard of the Blood Falls? It sounds like something straight out of a gothic novel, isn't it? But Blood Falls is actually a striking natural wonder located in Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys. At the edge of the Taylor Glacier, a plume of vivid crimson-red water occasionally flows out, staining the white ice below. For a long time, it was one of the continent's most enduring mysteries. When it was first discovered by geographer Griffith Taylor in 1911, scientists thought that red algae was responsible for the color. However, we now know that the truth is more metallic. The water comes out from a subglacial lake trapped under 400 meters of ice for more than 2 million years. This water is incredibly rich in ferrous iron. When this iron-rich brine finally seeps through cracks in the glacier and hits the air, it oxidizes. The water turns to rust instantly. The water is 3 times saltier than the ocean, which prevents it from freezing even at sub-zero temperatures. Beyond the cool visuals, the Blood Falls is a massive deal for biologists because the source lake has been sealed off from light and oxygen for millions of years. It represents a time capsule of ancient microbial life. Bacteria live in this dark, salty, oxygen-free environment by breathing iron and processing sulfates to survive. NASA uses Blood Falls as a terrestrial model for Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa. If life can survive in a hidden, frozen, iron-rich lake on Earth, it might just exist in similar environments elsewhere in the solar system. Now, you might wonder that how liquid water moves through a frozen glacier without freezing solid. Scientists used radio echo sounding, which is a kind of radar, to discover a complex network of internal pipelines. The salt lowers the freezing point, and the movement of the water actually releases a small amount of heat, which is the latent heat, keeping the blood flowing even in the Antarctic cold.